Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha. And yes, we are in my bathroom, and today I am going to cut this hair. It's got to go. Oh my goodness. And I'm super excited because I am going to try a new haircut. It's called a Bixie. It's a cross between a bob and a pixie. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but fingers and toes crossed. So before we get into it, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up because that does help my channel to grow. Leave me a comment. Maybe you've cut your hair and you like doing that, or maybe this inspires you to cut your hair. So let me wet this hair down and let's get into it. Okay, so the hair is wet, and if you're new to my hair cutting tutorials, I have sort of a unique setup. As you can see, I've got a full-length mirror that's taped to the back of my cabinet here in the bathroom, and I had that for years. Gosh, I think I've had that for like, I want to say 15 years, and I've been cutting my own hair, I want to say 28 years now, so a long time. I started cutting my hair because I didn't like how the beautician was cutting my hair, and I would bring in a picture and say how I wanted it cut, and they didn't do what I asked them to do. So I would always go home and fix it, or wait till it grew out and then fix it. So I'm like, instead of spending all that money, let me just do it myself. So it was out of necessity, and I'm cheap. There you go. So my inspiration for doing a Bixie is that I want to keep the length. It's been quite a while since I've cut my hair. I want to say maybe 2 months or more. And I really like the length. And I've been parting it in the middle, which sort of looks sort of sassy, and I like it. So, but the plan is, and I have a little different, I'm just different. It's just the way it is. I have a different plan here, is that I start out here and the bangs and the sides and bring it together. And I'm going to cut in the back, because you can see the back is super duper long. It's just way too long. And my hair just quink right up. So it's just got a mind of its own most of the time. So so then I cut a little like notch there, and then I connect the dots. That's just sort of how I do it. So, and if you're new to my setup, is that I have a plastic bag that I've cut in half. So you can see that I've got it cut in half, and the ends here I've cut so that the seam is here on this plastic piece here, and I put that around my head, and then all the hair falls into the plastic bag that I've got taped to my sink. So yes, I'm cheap and lazy, but there you go, it works, so yeah, pretty cool. I also got new shears and new scissors, so, and then I've taped my fingers up because I usually draw blood, so not interested in going to the hospital today. So let's get going. The first cut is always the hardest. It's like, where do I start? looking pretty good. I'm liking it. I didn't want to take much off, just the dead ends from bleaching my hair a couple weeks ago. The last step in the process is just texturizing the ends. So here we go. This was a major success. I'm really happy with it. My hair just really did bring it back to life, and it's soft and feminine and messy, which I like. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope it inspired you, and I just want you to know, wherever you are in the world, I am sending you loads of love and hugs and kisses, and I so appreciate you. And I hope you just have a wonderful, magical, and beautiful week. So I'll see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.